little chilly. I'm chilly. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here and
Melly Simpson.
And we are doing a surprise visit to one of our team members, Amira, who actually hit gold rank in doTERRA this month. So it's real exciting. You see the balloons back there. We got 5 gold star balloons for the 5 years that she's been in doTERRA, and it's cool to support our team members and encourage them on and let them know that, hey, great job, and we are supporting you in all your endeavors. So we are going to continue to film our surprise visit to her.
Yep, we're gonna go knock on her door and congratulate her. So stay tuned. Here we go.
We are approaching the house right now. It's a nice windy day in Las Vegas. That's right. A little chilly. I'm chilly. Hello.
I am not dressed for
Oh, here we go. Congratulations. Smile.
Yes, I am. Look at me. I am no makeup or anything.
It's all good. We love you for who you are.
Well, anyway, we
Oh,
will
you
not
did-
put the camera. This is for your
Oh,
5 years
thank you.
gold in doTERRA.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And these are we made you some, don't you know, you're amazing, little donuts and treats.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, so cute. They don't, yeah, of course they are the best vegan stuff, I'm assuming.
Yes, they
Yes.
are.
Thank you. No, you should have. Oh my gosh, like look at my house and everything.
It's cool.
Little clip right here if you want to undo the balloons, and you can play with them individually. Yeah.
See my golden balloons. God, yay! Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
See ya. Have a good day.
Good night.
Alright, we just finished visiting Amira and surprising her with the balloons. It was definitely unexpected, and it's cool. And yeah, Malie made some awesome vegan treats for her as well, so that's really exciting. Healthy and delicious. It is possible and affordable. But thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below for more video updates, and I'll see you in the next video.